Hi everyone, this is Nightingale. She's been here for a while. Unfortunately, she's having a hard time adjusting to the care center, but she's actually quite sweet. I don't know if you can hear her purring. Hi Nightingale. She stays inside of her box. Hi, silly. Can everyone see your cute little face? You're purring, Mama. Hi, honey. Hi. Very sweet. Just having a hard time adjusting to the care center, so people often tend to miss her when they look through the rooms. But sweet as pie, just needs a slow approach and patient owners who don't mind a more shy and timid cat. Sweet girl. You wanna come out of your box? Oops, sorry, it's a little blurry. You wanna come out of your little box, silly? What do you think? Come out there, baby. There you go, silly. What do you think, silly girl? Hmm?